Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green Moong Dal. Begin by selecting high-quality organic green Moong seeds. You can find these at most health food stores or online. Place about 1/2 cup of seeds in a bowl and cover them with 2 to 3 times their volume in fresh water. Let them soak overnight for approximately 8 to 12 hours. This initial soaking phase is crucial as it kickstarts the germination process and softens the seed coat, preparing them for sprouting. Once your Moong seeds have soaked, drain the water completely and rinse them very well under running water. Place the rinsed seeds into a sprouting jar or a colander lined with cheesecloth and cover them lightly. Keep the seeds in a warm, dark place, such as a cupboard, for about 24 to 48 hours. Remember to rinse the seeds at least 2 or 3 times a day to maintain moisture and prevent any off odors or mold from forming. You will soon see tiny white sprouts emerge. Once the sprouts are about 1/4 of an inch long, they are ready for planting. Fill a container that is at least 6 inches deep with a good quality potting mix, or prepare a garden bed. Gently plant each sprouted seed about 1 inch deep, ensuring a spacing of 3 to 4 inches between them for adequate growth. Water them immediately and thoroughly. Place your pots in a location where they will receive at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Maintain consistently moist, but not waterlogged soil. Your Moong Dal plants will begin to flower, followed by the development of slender green pods. These pods will mature over approximately 70 to 90 days, gradually turning yellow, then brown, and becoming dry and brittle. This is your cue to harvest. Carefully pick the dry pods from the plant. Shell the pods by hand to extract the green Moong beans. Store your freshly harvested Moong Dal in an airtight container in a cool, dry place, and enjoy your homegrown harvest in your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.